We're doing intros to linear equations, and here we have a standard form. There's also point slope form and slope intercept, but today we're doing standard form. So we just need to convert this so we can be able to graph it here. So all we have to do is we need x equal to 0 and y equal 0, so that way we can solve. So if we do 5, 0 instead of x plus 4y equals 20, we'll just get 4y equals 20 because 5 divided by, or times 0 is 0. And then we just divide 4 on each side, and then y equals 5. So this is our y-intercept. So now we have to do the same thing to get our x-intercept. So we just do 5x plus 4 times 0 equals 20 to get 5x equals 20 and divide 5 on both sides to get x equals 4. So that's our x-intercept. So now we have 4 comma 5, which is what we're going to graph. So we're going to do 4 comma 5. I'm just going to graph. So that is pretty much our standard equation written on a graph.